Hello students, in this video I am explaining about the disorders of the digestive system. So infections to the digestive system are caused by the bacteria and virus that will leads to the inflammations to the intestinal tract. So inflammations to the intestinal tract means swelling of intestinal tract. So these infections may also caused by the parasites like tapeworms, hookworms, pinworms, roundworms, and threadworms. So these are the parasites that will cause us the infections to the digestive system. Now let us see some of the disorders regarding with the digestive system. Among them, first one is jaundice. So the organ that is affected due to the jaundice is liver. And due to the jaundice, the color of nails and lips turns to the yellow color. So this is due to the deposition of the bile salts. So from this area, we can frame questions like this. So which organ is actually affected due to the jaundice? Answer is liver. And which parts actually turns to the yellow in color due to the jaundice? Answer is nails and lips. So the change in the color of nails and lips is due to the deposition of the bile salts. And next disorder is vomiting. So vomiting means ejection of stomach content through the mouth is known as the vomiting. And this vomiting is controlled by the vomiting center which is present in the medulla region of the brain. And actually, nausea will leads to the vomiting. So nausea means uneasiness in the stomach is known as the nausea. So this uneasiness of the stomach will finally leads to the vomiting. So from here we can frame the questions like this. So this definition is important. Ejection of the stomach content through the mouth to the outside is known as the vomiting. And vomiting center is present in the medullary region of the brain. And next one is diarrhea. So diarrhea means abnormal frequency of bowel movement. And increase in the liquidity of the fecal discharge is known as the diarrhea. So here bowel movement means, so it is the final movement of the food in the large intestine. So that will leads to the ejection of the fecal matter to outside through the anus. So in diarrhea condition, so there is abnormal movement of the bowel is observed. So and liquidity of the fecal discharge is increased. Liquidity means the liquid watery nature is increased for the fecal discharge. And in diarrhea condition, so the undigested or fecal matter moves very fastly in the large intestine. Due to this fast movement of the undigested food in the large intestine, so there is no proper absorption. No proper absorption is happened in the large intestine due to the fast movement of the undigested food. So from here we can frame questions like this. So definition itself is very, very important. And next one is constipation. In the constipation, the fecal matter retains in colon region of the large intestine, and this is due to the this constipation, this retaining of the fecal matter in the colon is mainly due to the irregular bowel movement. So fecal matter retains in the colon due to the irregular bowel movement. So in the constipation, the fecal matter, that is undigested food moves very slowly. So that is about the constipation. So here constipation definition is important. So retaining of the fecal matter in the colon region of the large intestine is known as the constipation. And this happens due to the irregular bowel movement. And undigested food movement is very slow in the case of constipation, whereas the undigested food movement is very fast in the diarrhea. That is the difference between the diarrhea and constipation. Next one is indigestion. So indigestion means inability to digest the improper digestion. Inability to digest the food. That is improper digestion of food. Or feeling of fullness of stomach will lead to the indigestion. And this indigestion is actually caused due to the anxiety. So anxiety means a feeling of fearness and stress. So a feeling of stress and fear by to future thoughts is known as the anxiety. So anxiety, overeating, spicy foods, and inadequate enzymes will causes the indigestion. Inadequate means insufficient, not required amounts of enzymes. If not released, that will lead to the indigestion. So definition itself is very, very important for the indigestion. So in the NCERT book, so line to line we can frame the each and every line is very, very important. So we are supposed to frame line to line question. And coming to the disorders, so it is very important for the NEET examinations from the disorders point. So we have the disorders in the digestive regarding with the digestion, respiration and circulation, excretion and locomotion and movements. In these all chapters, we have the disorders of disorders. So it is very, very important to get question from here disorders. So thank you students. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.